Rahim, how to read the Darul-ilm properly. So the dua which is recited in the Witr Salah in the third rakat after the takbir. So now how to read it properly with the correct tajweed. Okay, so first of all, before we begin, wherever there's a full mouth letter which you need to make full mouth, I've highlighted the very important ones. So underneath it I put an F. So in your one you can either put a F underneath it or you can actually circle the entire letter. So like this. Yeah, so if that, whichever makes it easier for you. So then you know the law is full mouth. Okay, and the ayns, I've put an ayn underneath it. So if you can see over here, there's an ayn, there's an ayn, there's an ayn. But in your one, you can either put an ayn underneath it or you can actually just circle it like this. Yeah, so you know that this is an ayn. And some other full mouth letters I've also put full mouth. Another thing that I've highlighted is the other has. So the ones that are strong has, I put a ha underneath. So again, you can either write a ha or you can actually circle it in your book. Okay, so let's start. So I'll read it. Allahumma, so the ghunna here. Allahumma inna, so the alif stretch. Nasta'inuka. So while I'm reading, you should be reading it with me. Okay, so that's a comma. So first what you do, you practice in steps. So first you practice it this much. That's another step. That's another step. Yeah? So Allahumma inna nasta'i, so the ayn, nasta'inuka. So what you do, keep on practicing this box until it's perfect, until it's fluent. And then once you're ready, you move on to the next box. Wa nasta, so the ta will join to the ghayn, taghfiruka. Wa nastaghfiruka. وَنَسْتَغْفِرُكَ. And once that's perfect, you say them both together. This is how you learn something. Allahumma inna nasta'inuka wa nastaghfiruka. Once these two are perfect, move on to the third one. Wa, this nun will join to the hamza, ignore the waw. Wa nu'minu bika. Wa nu'minu bika. And then you should ideally say the whole three together. Wa nata, the waw will join to the kaf. Wakkalu, wa natawakkalu. Now here there's an ayn. Alayka, wa natawakkalu alayka. And that's one box. So each box, what you should do is you can either pause the video after each box and then keep going over it until it's perfect, and then read it again from the start so your reading's fluent. And now the last box in the first section. This is the first section at the end over here. Wa nuthni, so remember the stretch. Wa nuthni, again the ayn. Alay, now the kaf will join to this lam over here. Kal, alaykal khayr, kha is full mouth, khayr. So again, وَنُثْنِي عَلَيْكَ الْخَيْرِ. This is the last box in the first section. So what you need to do now is keep on reading over these boxes and then memorize it until here, and then get someone to test you. Once you've memorized this part perfectly, and then move on to the next section. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to draw the small boxes in so you know how to read it. Okay. وَنَشْكُرُكَ, وَنَشْكُرُكَ, وَلَا, remember the stretch over here. وَلَا نَكْفُرُكَ, وَلَا نَكْفُرُكَ. Wa, now here this is a one line letter with one dot on top. That's a na. It's a two line letter with a dot on top with a sukun. That's a kha. So nun will join to the kha. وَنَخْلَعُ, وَنَخْلَعُ. So again, I'm reading it quite quickly, but you need to just pause the video and practice each box at a time. That's why I put the boxes in. وَنَشْكُرُكَ, وَلَا نَكْفُرُكَ, وَنَخْلَعُ, وَنَتْرُكُ, وَنَتْرُكُ. Now this meme, you ignore this nun, okay? The meme will join to the ya over here. So it'll be may yafjuruk, like that. May yafjuruk, but the nasal sound of nun remains. May yafjuruk. Okay, so this is the end of the second section. So I've drawn a long line over here. So now what you need to do is learn from وَنَشْكُرُكَ all the way until مَا يَفْجُرُكَ and memorize it. Once you've memorized this, then you say the whole thing together all the way up till here. And once you've memorized all of this, then move on to the last section, which is the last 2 lines. Okay, let's continue. Allah. So Allah again is full mouth. So it's not Allah, it's Allah. Allahumma. Remember the gunna. Allahumma iyyaka na'budu. Remember the ayn. Na'budu. So iyyaka, the stretch. Na'budu, the ayn. So memorize this part first, first box. Walaka nusalli. Walaka nuso. So is full mouth, not nusalli. Nusalli with a stretch. Li with a stretch. Walaka nusalli wa nasjudu. Second box. Walaka nusalli wa nasjudu. Wa ilayka. Wa ilayka nas'a. See the standing fatha, you stretch it. Nas'a. Wa ilayka nas'a. Wa. Now here again, one line on top with a dot, that's a na, then a ha with a sukun. Wa nahfidu. Okay, that's another box. Wa nahfidu. So you say this whole box together. And once that's fluent, and you can say the whole thing from here, then move on to the next box. Narju. So remember the stretch on the waw sakin. So mad asli. Narju roh. This is the full mouth letters of the ra. The ha, make sure you say the ha properly. Rahmataka. Narju rahmataka. One box. Wa, so noon, and then a kha. Wa nakhsha. It's an ayn. Adha. Make sure you say the, not a za. Adhabaka. Wa nakhsha adhabaka. That's another box. Inna. Remember the gunna. Then the ayn. Adhabaka. Inna adhabaka. The ba will join to this lam over here. Bil. Inna adhabaka bil. The kaf to the fa. Kuffari. Inna adhabaka bil kuffari. Mim will join to this lam over here. Mulhi with a qaf. Hiq. Mulhiq. Inna adhabaka bil kuffari mulhiq. Okay, so now I'll just read the whole thing very quickly in one go. So if you do need to just listen to the whole thing very quickly, you can just rewind it to this part and just listen to the whole thing rather than listen to the box by box and slowly. Allahumma inna nasta'inuka wa nastaghfiruka wa nu'minu bika wa natawakkalu alayka wa nuthni alayka al-khayr wa nashkuruka wa la nakfuruka wa nakhla'u wa natruku man yafjuruk. Allahumma iyyaka na'budu wa laka nusalli wa nasjudu wa ilayka nas'a wa nahfidu narju rahmataka wa nakhsha 'adhabaka inna 'adhabaka bil kuffari mulhiq. Okay, so that's that done. When you say your test to your teacher, you have to make sure you read it slowly, exactly as I've done. And all the stretches need to be in the right place. All the letters need to be pronounced correctly. If there's a mistake in any of these, then that will be a fail, and you'll have to relearn the whole thing. So make sure you say that. Make sure when you're practicing, you say it very slowly and very clearly.